This is 3-3 translating. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to practice writing algebraic expressions. Expressions are just incomplete sentences. They will not have an equal sign. For more than B, then is a word. That means I throw that back to in the back. B, 4. That is 4 more than B. 4 increased. Increased is plus. 4 increased by B. 15 less. Less is minus. 15 minus C. 15 less than C. There's a then. This comes to the back, and it becomes C minus 15. Notice when there's no then, it's 15 minus C, but the then causes it to be C minus 15. 10 less than, there's a then, throws this to the back. 2 times A, less 10. 10 less. 12 decreased by a number, R, divided by 4. 2 times the sum of G and 5. Sum of, you need to put that in parentheses. So it's 2 times the sum of G and 5. When you have the word sum of, it's going to show you that it might be the distributive property. Twice the sum of, here's the sum of 12 and Z, and twice is that. From is the same as then, and it throws it to the back. W subtracted from the product of a number, which is x and 5, so 5x minus W. Quotient means divide. V and 3. Here we're going to practice the writing algebraic equations, and then we're going to solve them and we're going to check them. Okay, here we go. The word we're looking for is. We're going to put a box. That is the fence, just like when you were solving equations. Then makes it go to the back, but before the is. 8 more than C is C plus 8 is 52. To solve, we're going to subtract 8 from both sides. C equals 44. If I check it, I say 44 plus 8, and that is 52. And that 52 matches that 52. 3 times Y, increased by 1, is equal to 10. Subtract 1 from both sides. 3y equals 9. Divide both sides by 3. Y equals 3. To check, I do 3 times 3 plus 1. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. And I have 10. Here's my divider word. 110 is t less than 145 is 145 minus t. I subtract 145 from both sides. I get a negative 45 equals a negative t. I multiply both sides by a negative 1. A negative times a negative is a positive. A negative times a negative is a positive. So t equals 45. To check it, I would say 145 minus 45 equals 100, and there's my 100. 50 divided by h is 5. $50 divided by what number is 5? H is 10. 50 divided by 10 is 5. Is your bridge word. From, that means Q is going to come here. Q subtracted from 129 is equal to 9. 129 minus Q equals 9, then Q is 120. As if I have 129 and I subtract something and I land at 9, I'm already 120 off. Sandy has $4 more than Fred, so Fred plus 4. Fred has $20, so that's a 20. So Sandy has $24. Two boxes of cereal cost $5.98. How much does one box cost? 2 boxes of cereal equals $5.98. Divide both sides by 2. X equals $2.99. That's a $2.99. Jane paid $12 for a pair of sandals which were on sale for $8 off the original price. Original price, we don't want to use O because that would be a 0. The original price minus 8 is $12. Add 8 to both sides. The pair of sandals is $20. This is translating algebraic expressions and translating algebraic equations.